Hello everyone, I'm Julka. Today we will talk about inverse trigonometry. In part 1, we will discuss some basic formula of inverse trigo. Sin inverse sin theta equals to theta, cos inverse cos theta equals to theta, tan inverse tan theta equals to theta. Always remember that inverse trigo into trigo theta equals to theta. So cosecant inverse cosecant theta equals to theta, sec inverse sec theta equals to theta, cot inverse cot theta equals to theta. If we have sin theta equals to 1 by root 2, so theta equals to pi by 4. We'll solve using inverse, taking sin inverse both sides. So sin inverse sin theta equals to sin inverse 1 by root 2. Left hand side equals to theta and the right hand side equals to pi by 4. So theta equals to pi by 4. Similarly, cos inverse root 3 by 2 equals to pi by 6. Tan inverse root 3 equals to pi by 3. Sec inverse 2 equals to pi by 3. And cot inverse 0 equals to pi by 2. Let's see this once again. When we talk about cos inverse root 3 by 2, this implies when the value of cos is root 3 by 2 at 30 degree, which is pi by 6. Tan inverse root 3, when the value of tan is root 3 at 60 degree, this is pi by 3. Sec inverse 2, when the value of sec is 2 at pi by 3. And when the value of cot is 0, cot inverse 0 is pi by 2. Because we know that cot 90 is 0. So cot inverse 0 is pi by 2. Some more formulas. Sin inverse minus x is minus sin inverse x. Cosecant inverse minus x equals to minus cosecant inverse x. Tan inverse minus x equals to minus tan inverse x. But in the case of cos, sec and cot, we will take pi minus. So first, cos inverse minus x equals to pi minus cos inverse x. Sec inverse minus x equals to pi minus sec inverse x. And cot inverse minus x equals to pi minus cot inverse x. Now we'll discuss some question. Sin inverse minus 1 by 2. We'll take minus common. So it's minus sin inverse 1 by 2 and the value of sin is 1 by 2 at pi by 6. So the answer is minus pi by 6. Next, cos inverse minus 1 by root 2, which is equals to pi minus cos inverse 1 by root 2. The value of cos is 1 by root 2 at pi by 4. So the answer is pi minus pi by 4, which is equals to 3 pi by 4. Next, tan inverse minus root 3. We'll take minus common, tan inverse root 3 and the value of tan is root 3 at pi by 3. The answer is minus pi by 3. Next, cot inverse minus 1 by root 3, which is equals to pi minus cot inverse 1 by root 3. And the answer is pi minus pi by 3, which is equals to 2 pi by 3. Next, sec inverse minus 2 by root 3, which is equals to pi minus sec inverse 2 by root 3. And the value of sec is 2 by root 3 at pi by 6. So answer is pi minus pi by 6, which is equals to 5 pi by 6. And the last part, cosecant inverse minus 1, which is equals to minus cosecant inverse 1. And the value is cosec is 1 at pi by 2. So answer is minus pi by 2. Next formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy, where x into y is less than 1. Example, evaluate tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3. If we multiply 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, we will get 1 by 6, which is less than 1. So we will use the above formula. So now tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 equals to tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, which is equals to tan inverse. In the numerator we take LCM 6, which is 3 plus 2 and denominator 1 minus 1 by 6. So the answer is tan inverse 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6, which is equals to tan inverse 1. And the value of tan is 1 at pi by 4. Next example, evaluate tan inverse 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse root 3. Either we we put straight formulas or straight values. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 is pi by 6 and tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3, which is equals to pi by 2. Or we use formula which is equals to tan inverse 1 by root 3 plus root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3. So this is tan inverse infinite because something upon 0 is infinite and the value 10 is infinite at pi by 2. So tan inverse infinite is pi by 2. Some more formulas. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. And the sec inverse x plus cosecant inverse x equals to pi by 2. Example. If sin inverse x plus cos inverse 1 by 5 equals to 1, then find the value of x. You know that sine is 1 when the angle is pi by 2. So here sin inverse x plus cos inverse 1 by 5 equals to pi by 2. And sin inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 by 5. And the pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 by 5 equals to sin inverse 1 by 5. Because we know that sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 by 5 equals to pi by 2. And comparing both sides, we'll get x equals to 1 by 5. Or we can use some other method. We can say that sin inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 by 5. Taking sin both sides. So sin pi by 2 minus cos inverse 1 by 5 is equals to cos inverse 1 by 5 because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos inverse 1 by 5. Cos cancel by cos, so we will get x, the value of x is 1 by 5. Now some question on simplification. Simplify sin inverse 2x in the root of 1 minus x squared. Here we put x equals to sin theta. So theta equals to sin inverse x. Replace x by sin theta, so we'll get sin inverse 2 sin theta in root 1 minus sin square theta. In root 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos theta, so sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta. And the formula of 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, and sin inverse sin 2 theta equals to 2 theta. And 2 as it is, and the value of theta is sin inverse x. Next example. Simplify cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Replace x by cos theta and theta equal to cos inverse x. So cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is the formula of cos 3 theta. So cos inverse cos 3 theta equals to 3 theta. 3 as it is, and replace theta by cos inverse x. Next example. Simplify tan inverse in the root of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Whenever we have 1 minus x and 1 plus x in root, replace x by cos 2 theta. So 2 theta equals to cos inverse x and theta equals to half of cos inverse x. Tan inverse 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. We know that 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Cancel 2 by 2 and we'll get tan inverse tan theta, which is equal to theta, and the value of theta is half cos inverse x. Next example. Simplify tan inverse in root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. Replace x by tan theta. So we are putting x equals to tan theta, theta equals to tan inverse x. So tan inverse in the root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. Root 1 plus tan square theta is sec theta. Now change sec and tan into sin and cos. Tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. So which is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta multiplied by cos theta upon sin theta. Cos cancel by cos. 1 minus cos is 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancel by 2 and sin cancel by sin. And sin upon cos is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2 is equal to theta by 2, which is equal to half tan inverse x. Last example. Simplify tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Put x equals to tan theta. So theta equals to tan inverse x. And this is tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is the formula of tan 3 theta. So tan inverse tan 3 theta equals to 3 theta, 3 as it is, and the value theta is tan inverse x.